Mastering not with adverbs of degree. Flip the script. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, using not with adverbs of degree in negative sentences. This may seem complex at first, but don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun for you. Before we jump into using not with adverbs of degree, let's quickly recap what adverbs of degree are. Adverbs of degree are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs to express the intensity, extent, or manner of the action. They answer the question, how much, or to what extent. Examples include very, quite, extremely, almost, and hardly. Now, a negative sentence in English is typically formed by adding the word not after the auxiliary or modal verb. For example, I do not like apples, or she cannot come to the party. However, when we're dealing with adverbs of degree, things get a little more interesting. Adverbs of degree can be used in negative sentences to create a specific effect or emphasis. However, the placement of not is crucial here. It can be positioned before the adverb of degree, changing the whole degree or intensity of the action. For instance, let's consider the sentence, she is almost always late. If we want to negate this, we place not before the adverb of degree, almost, giving us, she is not almost always late. Here, the negation isn't about her being late. Instead, it negates the almost always part. This implies that she is always late, without any almost about it. Let's consider some more examples. He is not nearly finished implies he has a lot more work to do. It's not quite right means it's entirely wrong or significantly off. Remember, the usage of not with adverbs of degree in negative sentences can vary based on the context and the specific adverb of degree used. For example, not very can often imply a positive meaning. He is not very late might suggest that he is somewhat on time. And there you have it, folks. We've explored using not with adverbs of degree in negative sentences. Remember, the key here is the placement of not and the specific adverb of degree used. Play around with these in your daily English usage, and you'll soon master this aspect of grammar. As always, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and replay this video as many times as you need to get the concepts down. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.